Looky here, looky here. We are trying to rearrange some columns and we don't want to have to bop out of this form. Stick around, we're going to show you how stinking easy it is. You won't believe it.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward.
Okay, let's get that timer rolling so we can see if we can get it done in 60 seconds or less. Alright, first thing you're going to do, let's say we start from scriggity scratch here and we go to forms and go new form, and you just go through here and you're looking like, oh my gosh, like everybody knows that I have to put soda first because if they don't then the masses are not going to be happy. So I don't know how to do it. Like if I go into the list, whatever, I'm in here doing the form to collect data. Wait a minute. Oh, just click, hold, drag, boom, done. You can drag them all over the place. Just click and drag, click and drag. That's all you got to do. Easy as cake. All right, so let's break it down a little bit. Real quick before we break it down, could you please break it down for me and hit that like, share, subscribe? You know, only if you find something that makes you laugh or something that you find useful. All right, let's rock on and talk about why this is so super cool. Okay, we are going to close this and we're going to recap what we just did. Basically, we are using the new forms experience for Microsoft Lists and SharePoint, or lists in SharePoint, lists in Microsoft. Just lists. Click on forms, and we're going to use this one that we were working on. You just open it up, and if you want to rearrange or hide or even add, which there are other videos talking about that, but this one's just on rearranging. All you got to do is just click on the field that you want to move and drag it to where you want it to go. You'll see the little blue line and that'll be where it lands. There you go. Hopefully this has been helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, and remember, do the very best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra,